The way, if you think of being available 24/7 works well, so does eating ice cream for breakfast, short-term happiness, long-term regret. Before we dive into psychological triggers, you need to understand one thing. Emotions drive memories. For a woman, to miss you, she must associate you with positive emotional highs and occasional emotional distance. Think of it like breathing. She needs the air you. But if you flutter with constant presence, it suffocates the desire. Ever texted someone 5 times in a row, then pretended your phone glitched? Yeah, it wasn't the Wi-Fi. It was you. Now if you want her thinking about you at 2:88 a.m., here's how you begin. Secret 1. The power of mystery. Psychological fact. Humans are naturally obsessed with unfinished stories. It's called the zygote effect. The mind's urge to resolve what's left incomplete. And here's where it gets interesting. When a woman doesn't have all the answers about you, where you are, what you're thinking, what you're feeling, her mind can't help but fill in the gaps. And most of the time, it fills them with fantasies far more powerful than reality. Every text you send that leaves just a little unanswered,